all YouTube? Sammy here with a video. We'll have to see about doing a little engine replacement on this pressure washer. From the looks of it, I picked it up off the trash. From the looks of it, it looks like it's just probably a carburetor issue. I can see that the throttle right here, the spring broke on this, but it's a OHS. It looks just like the Predator engine 212. So I've had a little Predator right there sitting in my house for probably 6 months. So the whole thing is if the pump is gonna line up and if the shaft is the same size. So I'm gonna start taking this out and see what happens. See if it all bolts up the same. It's just 4 bolts to remove the pump, and then 4 bolts for the motor. So I got 2 on this side and 2 over here. Just gotta loosen those up, and the motor pulls right out. All right, stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, I kind of mocked it up just to see how it's gonna fit there. But I guess the next step is probably to take this pump off of this motor and then see if it bolts up right to the brand new motor. So we'll see. Alrighty, so I removed the pump from the old motor. The shaft size looks about the same size, and the bolt pattern is about the same. So I'm thinking it's gonna bolt up perfectly. We'll find out here in a minute. Here's the pump. And here's where I'm going to put it now. So I'm going to try to bolt it right to there. I just wanted to show you something. Let's see if I can slide it out. So here you got the keyway right there. So you just want to line it up with the key and then adjust the pump to where it needs to sit. Alright, something like that, and I just gotta bang it in, kind of probably tap it in a couple times for it to go into place. Alrighty, well, let me bolt this up, and I think we should be good to go as long as the pump is good. I'm not sure if the pump is good. Like I say, I got this one. Somebody just threw it away, so we'll see. So this will at least have a brand new motor. I just gotta check the oil, put some fuel in it. And I picked up the hose also is over there, so we'll see. I'll be right back. Alright, I got it running. Got to get the tips for this, the small tips. That's it.